Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer between wallets in Spendee. All right. So first option, if you want to transfer amounts, and the second option is to transfer a transaction. Okay. So first up, transferring an amount. So just go ahead over to your timeline right here, tap on the plus icon. Now what you'll do when it asks you to enter a transaction category, just make sure to select transfer. Okay. Add in the amount, for example, 100 right here. I'm going to tap away, select the from, okay, tap on it. For example, I'm going to go ahead and select main wallet to the other wallet, which is the excess cash wallet. Okay. And once that's done, add in the transaction date, maybe today, and then write in a note. Okay. Transfer funds, just for example. And once that's done, select the recurrence. And after that, just tap on create transfer. Now select confirm right here. And once that's done, you're good to go. And the other option right here is by transferring a transaction. Okay. Now, if you want to see a step-by-step guide on how to do it, we have a separate video for that titled How to Move a Transaction to Another Wallet in Spendee. Okay. Just for you to take a glimpse. Okay. Go ahead and go to your timeline, select the specific transaction. For example, we have here shopping, tap on it. Just select the wallet right here and move it to the other wallet. Okay. Hit on save changes and you're good to go. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.